Uh, Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we will see in Next.js how we can implement font styles. Okay, so for this what you need to do, just create your next app and come to your layout.js file. Now go to Google and search here Google Fonts, and hit enter. Move to the first website and select whatever the font you suit for your website. Like there are a lot of fonts, so I will search the specific font. Like I will say ITRIM. Okay, I am okay. This is one font that I love to add in my website. So I will copy this and not copy. I will come to this page and now I will go to fonts in Next.js. Okay. Now I will come here and I will go to my first website and I will little bit scroll here. Now I will copy this one code and come back to my project. I will import this line of code and next I will I will copy this one robot. Okay. Now next I will paste it here and after that I will add this class to my project. Okay, so this is the basic requirement that that we will do. Okay, now I have added the class. Now we will change a little bit settings here. So this is our ITIM. Okay, I will copy it and I will import it first from Google Fonts item. Okay, now I have imported and now I want to create an instance of this. I have created an instance. Font weight, adjust it according to your need. I will make it around 600. Okay, now next import like change this like name of our instant. Okay, I will say ITIM and I will copy this and I will change this robot to this. Okay, now if I come back to my page and if I refresh, then I should get unknown weight font. Okay, cool. 600 it is not supported. We will make back it to 400. And if I refresh it again, so currently you can see that our font is successfully implemented in our Next.js project. Now see, now there can be one challenging that you have you have found some font which has spaces between in that name. So how we can import, because if we are trying to import with spaces, that means two instances of classes we are going to, or module we are going to import, correct? So for that what can we do? If it is the name now, so copy this name, come back to your project and comma, just paste it, and whatever the space is there, just replace it with the underscore. Okay, so you can create an instance like this and after that you can add it as a class to your project. So that's all guys in this video. How I hope you learn how you can add Google Fonts in our Next.js project, and hope you like this video. Thank you.